3 compartments 17.3 x 11.8 by 9.4 inch approximate. 24 liters. The upper compartment is suitable for a 200mm lens or a Mavic Air 2 drone. Medium compartment for 1 camera, 2 standard lenses or 2 cameras. Lower compartment for 3 standard lenses or 1 camera, 1 lens. Quick access side access for quick access to the camera and accessories while wearing so that you are quickly at hand in the crucial moments. Supports fully open from the front, helps you organize all compartments and equipments clearly. Additional storage bag, many functional pockets for storing cell phones, filters, data cables, chargers, wallets, memory cards, keys, glasses, iPad, etc. 5.6-inch laptop compartment. The padded upper compartment offers space, especially for laptops, MacBooks and tablets up to 15.6 inches. Tripod holder rain cover contains a special side compartment with a strap and buckle to safely transport the tripod or hold water bottle. Rain cover is on the bottom. Top reviews from the United States. I bought this to hold my Nikon D5300, telephoto 55 to 300mm zoom, Canon HD CMOS, their batteries, cables, etc. It also held my iPad Pro perfectly. I am very pleased with this purchase. I used it for my vacation in Europe. I am glad for the place to put my water bottle as well. Don't forget about the rain cover located at the bottom of the bag and its own zipper. Well thought out design, good quality material, zippers have worked well so far, and enough cushioning. I had room for my sunglasses in the top, some snacks, a thin windbreaker. I highly recommend this product.